So what we have here is a little bird called the black-capped chickadee. And it's one of the most common birds that you'll see in the wintertime, and that's because there's something called a resident species. They don't migrate, they stay here all winter long. Now they do something really cool in the fall. They do something called caching. And it's basically when they take some seed or insects or any kind of food source, and they'll go throughout the forest and they'll hide food in all these little places throughout the forest, behind bark or lichen, and they'll be able to actually remember all of those different places in the wintertime so that they can access food when there's food resources are really low in the wintertime. Now some of their favorite food, right now I have safflower seeds on my hand, but they also really like black oiled sunflower seed. That's probably one of their favorite seeds and probably the best way to attract them to your feeder as well. And as you can see, they are very friendly. Here at Riverwood, they'll actually come straight to your hand and they'll grab some seeds right off of your hand and you can feel like a Disney princess.